Thanks for joining us today at Talladega Fiberglass. I'm Eric. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your T-bar that you received. Alright, when you get your T-bar, it won't have any holes yet. We don't drill the holes because some of the frames are different. The holes aren't all the same. But what you do is take off your old lights. You'll have 4 holes left over where your old lights were. And what we use for our hardware is 1/2 inch, grade 8, 4-inch all-thread bolt. The inner holes right now. You'll take a measurement from the center to center of your bolt. This one is 18 1/8. You'll grab your T-bar, find the center of your T-bar, and then go out to your holes. I like to go 1.5 inches from the front side of the T-bar back. That's where I like to drill my holes. You'll have to drill a hole through metal, so I use a pilot drill bit first, and then I believe it's a 5/8 bit. Doesn't matter if it's just a little bit bigger than 1/2 inch. Once you get that all drilled, we come to the back side where you'll have access holes to get to the nut of your bolt. I go down 2 1/4 inches and drill whatever size hole you want. If you can get away with a smaller hole, if you can fit your fingers in there to get the nut, that's fine. I think this is about almost a 2-inch, a little bit bigger hole. You'll drop your bolts through. You'll get somebody to help you. You'll lift it up. Get your fingers in the back with the washer and nut and try not to drop them. And you attach it. Some of the frames, this tailpiece actually comes below the frame, so you won't need to add a piece. Right here, this is on the inside. So what we have is a 3/8 by 1.5 inch flat bar, about 26 3/4 inches long. You'll match up the holes that you drilled in your T-bar on this and drill the holes on that. That takes up the spacing of the thickness of the frame. Then when you're tightening it up, I like to get it all the way up, a little snug, because there is just a slight adjustment. You can move it back and forth so you have equal distance between your fender and your T-bar. Make a bracket that comes off your crossbar for your fenders that go to the bottom side of your T-bar. This just adds a little more strength. What he's doing now is checking the height from where the bottom of the T-bar matches your bracket. He did the length first. Of course, this piece gets welded on, and you definitely want to disconnect your batteries. It's a little easier when you have somebody hold it for you, center it up, let him make sure it's all where it needs to be back there. Good. And just weld it on. The final step will be, after you get your T-bar mounted, is hooking up your electrical and reattaching your air line back to the existing brackets. usually comes with a little clip. Most of the time those clips break, or they come with zip ties. We always like to put the zip tie back to secure it all. And we'll grab some loom, put the loom on there. Probably put one more zip tie right here to secure it, and you'll be done with your install. Here's a little trick if you don't know it. If you'll wrap your tape around first, and you slide your loom over your electrical tape, and then wrap it again, that holds it in place. Your loom won't slide on you. I like to use black electrical tape, but red's what I have and it matches the truck. We'll get a wire tie, one more wire tie, zip tie, and we'll be done.